guess my
Just
hat's
make sure
not
you
as
don't drink it,
interesting.
okay? If you drink that, bubbles will come
Yeah, I
from
guess
everywhere.
the hat isn't as interesting.
Don't
It's
worry,
just
give her a round of
it's
applause.
just plain merch. Yeah. Oh, it's Kinaka! It's Kinaka station music. Oh yeah, we still have accelerator. Kinaka. At least it didn't go ahead. Didn't blame her for it. I guess she's still a real person that creates all those created by real people. All those bubbles. Yeah. What if someone else find out that they're using AI pictures?